there is one more number to consider for effective time management, and it is the number 24. The number 24 represents the number of hours in any given day. The number 24 is particularly important to a successful student like you. In any given day, there are many tasks, responsibilities, and obligations that you must accomplish, and even more tasks, responsibilities, and obligations that you want to accomplish. Like the 40 hours and 72 hours per week, it is important to maximize the 24 hours per day. Considering that there are only 24 hours in any given day, however, it is important to remember that you cannot do everything. It is better to do a few things well than to do several things superficially. That is why, just like with the 40 hours and 72 hours per week, in order to manage your time and remain productive, you must be able to identify your highest priorities, your most important tasks, each day, to ensure that you accomplish them before accomplishing your lower priorities, your less important tasks. The best place to start as you begin to identify your highest priorities each day is to remember that of all the things you do each day, your highest priority must be your physical and mental health. That means getting enough sleep each night, preferably those 8 hours per night or 56 hours per week. Eating nutritious foods that will give your body the nourishment necessary to accomplish everything you want to accomplish each day. Getting some form of physical activity each day to keep your body strong and your blood flowing. And having people in your life who you can talk to and confide in. Remember, without your physical and mental health, everything else becomes far more difficult and your productivity suffers. After your physical and mental health, as a student, your second highest priority each day must be your academic success. In the absence of academic success, many of your other tasks, responsibilities, and obligations may not be possible, such as clubs, organizations, and other extracurricular activities.